You don't have to be a morning person to be successful. A client told me that she needed to wake up early because that's what serious business owners do. But here's the thing, success doesn't come from when you wake up, but from how you work best. Match your tasks to your energy. If you're a morning person, great. Get up, start those deep tasks first thing. If you need time to ease into your day, still cool. Start with something fun, engaging. Give your brain a chance to wake up. Your schedule should work for you, not against you. And it can change with the seasons of life. Want more ways to increase presence and energy in your business and life? Subscribe to my YouTube channel.